Welcome to my channel. Linksys router not working after power outage. 1. Check the router's power light. Ensure the Linksys router is receiving power by confirming the power indicator light is on. If not, check the power cable and outlet. 2. Inspect the power adapter. Verify that the power adapter is securely connected to the router and the wall socket. Try a different outlet if necessary. 3. Reboot the router. Unplug the router from the power source, wait for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in to allow a full restart. 4. Check your modem. Ensure the modem connected to your router is powered on and functioning. Reboot the modem if needed. 5. Reconnect cables. Inspect and firmly reconnect all Ethernet cables between the modem and the router, ensuring they are secure. Six. Verify the internet signal. Confirm that the modem is receiving an active internet signal. 7. Reset the router if necessary. If rebooting doesn't work, press and hold the router's reset button for 10 to 30 seconds to restore factory settings. This step will erase custom settings. 8. Reconfigure the router. After a reset, access the router's admin panel by typing 192.168.1.1 in a browser, and set up your network again. Use the default credentials to log in. 9. Update the firmware. Log into the router's admin panel and check for firmware updates. An outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues. 10. Test the network. Connect a device to the router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet and check for internet access. Thanks for watching.